Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are adding a gallery to our page. This is what you have to do. But before you do anything, please make sure that you have Elementor Pro installed and activated. So when you check and it is installed and activated, go to any page you need to add the gallery, edit with Elementor. Once you edit the page with Elementor, go to the search widget and search for gallery. You will see basic and gallery. So you can drop this to this. Then now here we have a gallery. We can now add our images here. So to add images, click here. Once you have clicked that, please select the images you need to add to your gallery. For example, this is a sample. I'm just adding random images. Then click create a new gallery. After that, insert gallery. When you have inserted the gallery, this is how it will look like. What you do in order to remove the blurry images, it's time for styling your gallery. Come and select the layout, either you need justified. This is how it looks like. Either you need month 3. This is how it looks like. It brings images the way they look like. Or you need grid. It gives you the layout. All images are set according to the height being displayed from the size of image set. So now here, come and select full image. So once you have set a full image, you can see when it is now clear. So now here you can set now the responsiveness, etc. And all that will be done. So let me know if there is anything you need to know, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.